The following question reads, how many moles of ions are present in 20 cm cube or 0.05 mole per dm cube calcium chloride? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and figure out the moles over here of calcium chloride. Moles is concentration multiplied by a volume. So concentration given is 0.050 mole per decimeter cube. That's already given to us, and the volume given is 20 cm cube, but that should be in dm cube, so I'm going to divide that by 1000 to get that value in dm cube. Let's try and calculate this value, and the moles I'm getting is 0.001 moles. So I found the moles. Now it's calcium chloride. Now remember, 1 mole, the ratio is that 1 mole is going to produce how many ions? If it dissociates, it's going to produce 1 calcium ion and 2 Cl minus 1 ions. So that's a total of 3 moles. So the ratio is 1 molecule is going to produce 3 ions. So it's 1:3. So if you have 0.001 moles, the amount of moles of ions is going to be 0.003 moles. So B is going to be the correct answer for this particular question.